Hello, welcome back. This is Nipi Jigu and you're watching the channel Language Gallery. കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷനിൽ 4 സ്കില്ലും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇതിൽ ലിസണിങ് സ്കിൽ is one of the most important skill that you need to develop. There are many people who can speak well, but they will not be able to follow different accents of different people. So, അത് നമ്മൾ through practice you need to develop it. ഒരാൾ നമ്മളോട് ഹാപ്പി ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നു, ബട്ട് we need to make out from the facial expression that whether he is really happy or he is pretending to be happy. That means when you're listening to someone, not only you are listening to the words, but you have to listen or you have to observe what is not said or what is partially said. അതായത് സ്പീക്കിങ്ങിൽ പാരാലാംഗ്വേജും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ബോഡി ലാംഗ്വേജും എന്തുമാത്രം ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണോ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ വെൻ യു ആർ ലിസ്ണിംഗ് ടു സം വൺ ദീസ് ടു തിങ്സ് ആർ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്, പാരാലാംഗ്വേജ് ആൻഡ് ബോഡി ലാംഗ്വേജ്. നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ ലിസ്ണിംഗ് സ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈസിലി ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഒന്നാമതായിട്ട് ബി പേഷ്യൻറ്റ്, ഡോണ്ട് ഇൻറ്ററപ്റ്റ് when somebody is talking. Now you may be listening to a person, the speaker will be talking, but don't interrupt in between. Let him complete. Be patient. Wait for your turn. Once he complete, you can clarify your doubts or you can have a summary of what he said. So that is one of the tips that you need to keep it in mind when you are listening to someone. And second thing, prepare yourself to listen. Now don't keep something in your mind or don't try to be closed mind. Your mind should be open and blank and you should be relaxed. Your mind should be refreshed to listen to someone so that when the speaker is telling you something, the message will be directly into your mind, so you will get the idea fast. And third important factor, put the speaker at his or her own ease or convenience. Now when you are interacting to a person, you also have, as a listener, you also have an important role. You can give an encouragement to the speaker to continue. That means a kind of acknowledgement by nodding your head, or you can acknowledge by the words yes, so that kind of acknowledgement you can give. So the speaker will be at his own convenience or ease to continue the speech or whatever the matter that he is speaking to. And another fourth factor that you need to be careful is, don't have a prejudiced mentality when you are speaking to someone or when you are listening to someone. Now prejudiced mentality means keeping something in your mind and trying to listening. That is, maybe you are not interested to this person when you are listening, but the matter what he is talking is too important. So if you are not interested to that person to listen, what happens, the message, the important message is not able to be delivered, or you will not be getting the message as it is, because നമ്മൾ ആ full attention നമ്മളവിടെ കൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല, because നമുക്ക് താല്പര്യമില്ല. So don't keep that kind of prejudiced mentality. അതുപോലെ ചിലപ്പം you maybe had a bad experience when you talked with this person earlier. Don't keep that experience in your mind when you listen for the second time. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഇതാണ് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ, you should not be listen only the words that the speaker is talking to. You have to listen or you have to observe the non-verbal cues as well, the gestures what he is showing, or maybe from the facial expression you can make out. So when you use this paralanguage as well as the body language along with the words, you will be able to understand the fact or the message very fast. And another most important factor is empathize. Be empathetic rather than sympathetic. The word empathy means, now when you are talking to a person, he is sharing you something, maybe his experience or what he came across in these days, or maybe some instant he is talking. So what happens is, when you are into his shoes, when you think on his perception or her perception, you will get the information fast, you will get the ideas that what he is trying to say you. Okay, so ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ കുറച്ചൊന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ ലിസണിങ് സ്കില്ല് നമ്മൾ വേർഡ്സിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാൻ എളുപ്പമാണ്. Hope you will follow all these tips in my videos whatever I've shared, and I'll be catching you soon with more tips. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.